Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of kicking you out on the application of DeepSeek. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about DeepSeek and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your time.